Share my screen once again. I hope it is visible now, visible to everyone. Natasha ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Okay.
Recording, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
Recording.
It is already started.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, so I'll repeat once again. This is a boy everyone can see on the screen, and his name is Tinku. Okay, and he's all set to go for shopping. Okay, he's all set to go for shopping, and he's having this basket with him so that he can put all the things that he's going to buy from the supermarket. Okay, so you all go to supermarket, right? Yes, you go to supermarket with your mama and dad, and you buy some things from there, right? Okay, fine. So Tinku is having different coins in his pocket. Okay, so the very first coin is coin of rupees 1. Okay, everyone can see that there is 1 written on this. So this is coin of rupees 1. Okay, next, this is coin of rupees 2. Okay, 2 is written on it. That means this is coin of rupees 2. Okay, now another coin that Tinku is having in his pocket is rupees 5. Okay, so another coin that he is having is rupees 5. Everyone can see that 5 is written on the coin. Yes, so this is a coin of rupees 5. Okay, another one, this is a coin of rupees 10. Why? Because 10. What is written on the coin? 10. So this is a coin of rupees 10. All right. So Tinku is having these many coins in his pocket, and he is all set to go for shopping. Okay, fine. So that means we have understood that if we want to go for shopping, if we want to buy something from the market, we have to have money. Okay. Without money, you cannot go and buy anything. Either it be your toys or anything, chocolate, toffee, ice cream, anything. When you want to buy something from the market, so you'll have to pay money for it. Okay, so you'll have to pay money for it. You remember this? So Tinku is also going to the market to buy something from the supermarket. Okay, so let's see what all he's going to buy. Fine. And then he's having 4 coins in his hand. I'm repeating: the coin of rupees 1, coin of rupees 2, coin of rupees 5, and coin of rupees 10. Okay, fine. So we are all set to go to the market and buy things for us. Okay, just a minute. Give me a minute. I'll just adjust my camera to the place where we can do shopping. Okay, Ansh is having these many coins, but we have coin of rupees 10. Okay, coin of rupees 10 we have, and then coin of rupees 5. Then we have coins, different coins of rupees 2. Okay, and coins of rupees 1. Okay, so Riyansh is the customer and I am the shopkeeper. Okay, everyone has understood. My kid Riyansh is my customer and I would be the shopkeeper. Fine, so we'll start shopping now. Riyansh is all set to do shopping with us. Okay, he's all set to do shopping with us. Now Riyansh, say loudly, what do you want to buy from these many objects? Which car you want to buy? Colorful car. So Riyansh wants to buy this colorful car. Okay, this is the colorful one. Okay, so okay, this one, fine. Okay, so this will cost rupees 5. You'll have to give me rupees 5 for this. Please give me rupees 5. Yeah, rupees 5. Yeah. So Riyansh has given me rupees 5 for buying this car. Okay, Riyansh, now this car goes to you and I'll keep the money, rupees 5. Now you tell me what else do you want to buy? What else do you want to buy, Riyansh? Say loudly. Steel you want to buy? Okay, okay. Take this. This costs rupees 2. Just give me rupees 2. Give me rupees 2. No, 1, 2. This costs rupees 2. So he is giving 2 rupees to me. Okay, fine. Now, Riyansh, what else do you want to buy? Oh, sanitizer. Why do you want to buy the sanitizer?
Ma'am, Riyan's voice is not audible.
Ah, so that is why you want to buy sanitizer? Okay. Cost rupees 10. 10 rupees for it. Okay, so Riyansh is going to give me 10 rupees for this. Give me 10 rupees. So he has given me 10 rupees coin. Okay, so this is the 10 rupees coin that Riyansh has given me. Okay, next Riyansh, what do you want to buy? This car? Okay. This car he wants to buy. So this car costs rupees 1 only. 1 for you. Just give me rupees 1. So he has given me 1 rupee coin. Okay, 1 rupees coin he has given me. Because he has bought a car and it costs rupees 1 only. Okay. So this is one thing that you can do with your kid. Like I am asking him to pay the exact amount which is there for every coin. Like I have asked him to pay 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 1 rupee and 2 rupee. Okay. So this is the first thing that you will be doing with your kids. And in the second round, I'll be asking him to apply his mind, because in the second round, we'll be asking him to give rupees that he has to assemble coins, different coins, and then make the cost. Okay, so we'll start with the second round now. Yash, you tell me what you want to buy now. This wheel. Okay, so he wants to buy this wheel. Okay, so this wheel costs rupees 3. Costs rupees 3. Now the kid has to apply his mind that in order to make rupees 3, what he's gonna do. What have you done to make rupees 3? What have you done? 2 coins. 2 and 1. He's giving me 2 coins, coin 2 and coin 1. So that makes rupees 3. Okay, next, what do you want to buy, Ryansh? What do you want to buy now? This wheel is very costly. You will have to pay rupees 6 for this. Okay, so he has to pay rupees 6 for it. Now he's gonna apply his mind that how he would be able to pay. Okay, so how have you paid this money, Ryansh? By paying rupees 1 and 5. So he is giving me 2 coins now, coin 1 and 5. Okay, so 1 and 5 makes it 6. Okay, so in the second round, we are going to ask the kid to pay money, which will be formed to pay the cost, which will be formed by combining 2 or more points. Okay, next, what do you want to buy now, Ryansh? What do you want to buy? Which fire? This fan? So this then this one, this glitter. This one, okay, this is a fan. This is what he wants to buy. Okay, so this is a fan that costs rupees 11. So you'll have to pay me rupees 11. How would you pay me rupees 11? Now the kid is going to apply his mind. Huh? 10 and 1. So what is he saying? That how is he gonna pay me rupees 11? That he'll pay me 2 coins. One is rupees 10 and the other one is rupees 1. Okay, so this is how you can carry on 2 rounds with your kids to buy things. Okay, in the first round, what we are doing, we are just making them pay the exact amount where they only have to pay a single point. Okay, in the second round, we are asking them to pay money, which is of combination of 2 or more points. Okay, so I hope you all have understood the 2 rounds that we'll be carrying out with our kids. So today what we all would be doing is we all will be doing shopping with our mama and dad. Okay, so this way you will learn how to do shopping. All right. So everyone is going to do like this. You'll have to practice a lot so that you understand how you have to pay to the shopkeeper. Okay. So we have understood that whatever we want to buy, whether it is chocolate, ice cream, taddies, toys, whatever you want to buy, you have to pay money for it. Okay, fine. So if I send you alone to the supermarket, will you be able to buy things for yourself and pay him the right amount? So you all can unmute yourself now. We have the interaction now. We have interaction now. Okay, let's interact with each other. How did you like the shopping session? How did you like the shopping session?
Shopping section is right. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How was
Yes,
the
ma'am.
shopping session? Was it nice? Yes.
I understood.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, understood. Everyone has understood well. Yes. Very
Yes.
good. Very good. So today you are going to do a lot of shopping with your parents. Okay. So you are all set for shopping with your parents. Yes. Okay. So you tell me what you want to buy. You want to go to the market and buy something. What do you want to buy? Miraya, what do you want to buy?
Ice cream.
Okay. Okay, very good. So if the ice cream costs rupees 6, so how are you going to pay it? If the ice cream costs rupees 6, 5 plus 1, very good. So if you want to pay rupees 6 for buying ice cream,
5 plus 1.
yes, 5 plus 1. So
5
you're
plus 1.
yes, very
One.
good. So you're gonna pay 5 rupees coin and 1 rupees coin to the shopkeeper. You've understood that? Yes? Okay. Now I'll choose someone else. Nivan, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hear me? Yes? Now you tell me, what do you want to buy? Nivan, what do you want to buy? Please unmute yourself and tell me. Car. Okay. So you want to buy a car. Okay. So if the car costs rupees 11, then how are you gonna pay to the shopkeeper? If it costs rupees 11.
10 for us.
Yes, you tell me.
11.
The car costs rupees 11. So how tell me?
10 plus 1.
10 plus 1. Very good. So if you want to pay rupees 11 to the shopkeeper, then you have to give him 2 coins. One of rupees 10 and the other one of rupees 1. Okay. That makes a total of rupees 11. Okay. Okay. Everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. So, Jagdeep, have you done? Have you understood? Divyanshu, Prince, Adya,
Yes, ma'am.
Iraya, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about Samarth and Samriddhi? Isha, have you understood? Yashvardhan? Okay, you are going to do shopping with your parents. Okay, fine. And
One question to Samarth and Samriddhi.
yes, ma'am. Please carry on. Samarth and Samriddhi, can you hear? These are there is some network problem. They are not. Samarth and Samriddhi, can you hear us? Awaaz aa rahi beta?
Yes.
You can put a question to them.
So what do you want to buy? Tell me.
I just
But you tell me what you want to buy.
mango.
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 I want to mango.
Okay,
I
okay.
want to
So,
buy mango.
Mango.
okay, she wants to buy a mango. Very good, very nice.
One mango.
One mango.
Only one mango.
Mango.
And if one mango costs ₹3, how would you pay me? How would you pay me?
2 plus 1.
Plus one na sir. 2 plus
2 plus 1. Very good. Very good. Now, I think everyone has understood the concept. And if you practice it, you will be expert in doing shopping. Okay. If you want to become an expert in doing shopping, you have to practice. Yes, Bilal, very good. With the right answer. Okay, so you have to practice shopping with your parents. Okay, fine.
Yes.
And are you all doing exercise at home? Are you all doing exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am.
And are you all eating healthy? All are you eating food? Yes. Okay, okay. Very good. I'm so happy to see you all. So you had fun shopping today? Yes? Okay, I will meet in the next class. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye.